Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be doing an unboxing of a wireless lavalier microphone. If this content interests you, subscribe. If you're not yet subscribed, hit the bell so you can be notified whenever I do an upload. Like, share and comment on this video as well. So here we have it in this cute pouch, pretty small and keeps everything together, and it's pretty portable. Let's open it up to see what's inside. Here I am showing you a microphone. So in total we have two microphones that we get, and you see the button right that area you can press. Also you're seeing where you can plug to charge. That part you put on your clothes, and this part is where you turn on that microphone. Yes, so it two comes in the package, and this is purchased on Amazon. I will show you the link in the description box in case you do want to go and purchase for yourself. All right, let's put them right there. Now, what else do we have in this package? We have the card or the cable, of course, and I'm showing you the part that goes in to charge, and that's the part that you put in the adapter. We also have that little Type-C adapter, USB adapter. Okay, so we have that for our disposal to use as well. Now on to the 3-in-1 receiver. As you can see, there's a power button at the front. You press that to turn it on. The three different parts that I'm pointing to, they all can be connected using different devices, or different devices can be connected to it. All right, it's pretty lightweight as well, so that proves for its portability. Here we have two fluffy windproof, right? These are placed on the microphones, of course. So let me just have you see it a little bit up close. It's very fluffy and soft, right? The material is pretty nice. All right, so now I'm just showing you the actual case, how the inside looks without everything that's there. Now this is how I arrange mine. You can do it your way. To use these microphones, it's pretty easy. You use the end of the receiver that works for your mobile device. Of course, your Bluetooth should be on and that receiver should be on. Then you insert it in your mobile device. Then you press the turn on button on your microphone, and it's that simple. Now the awesome thing about this device is that it gives you 360 sound reception. So wherever you are and whatever work condition you are faced with, it works for you, right? Also, it picks up your sound pretty good and produces a very clear sound quality. Who doesn't like that? Because we all know not all the time we'll be in an environment that would be allowing us to do the things we want. So this is an awesome piece of equipment to have. Remember, you can take it anywhere and you are guaranteed quality sound effect.